Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. It is day 23 of Loving my minis in February. And we do have this little addition. This was one of the things I was looking for when I wanted to have that little extra on Valentine's Day. So it's just going to join us for the rest of the month. I should say the rest of the week because it's the 23rd. So, all right, let's get started. I have my $8 here and I just can't believe we're finishing February. Like, we just have a couple more days. So let's put our money in here, our $8 in our little bank. This just holds the money until we finish a challenge. I'll take out my prop coins that are worth $8 in coins to make $8 worth of money. I said that all weird. So how are you today? How's everything going? Let's see, we are starting at number 6. And I'm actually just going to use this little pillow as a prop. Okay. We are definitely crooked. Why are we crooked? I don't know. I need to get my camera mount fixed because that is causing some issues with it always looking crooked. All right, so let's start. And we have 1 for number 6. 2 for number 7. 2 for 8. So did you have a nice weekend? It started to warm up on Sunday here. 1, 2, and 3, and the wind stopped. We had crazy wind. 1 for number 2. 2 for number 3. And my mom sent pictures from Maryland with snow. So I think you guys on the East Coast are getting a lot of snow. All right, 3, 4. Now, okay. I got myself all confused. 3 for 5. Not hard to do. 2 for number 6. 3 for number 7. 1 for number 8. Go back to 1. 1, 2, and 3. And we have 2 left. And that will go to number 2. So we'll just start at 3 tomorrow. All right, let's see what we got going on here. All right, so 1. Oh, let me do this. Give myself a little bit more space. All right, so 1 got a lot. So $1.75. All right, $1.75 for number 1. I realized I don't have any of my markers out, so let's see. And we just needed $1. So let's do this pink. 25, 50, 75, and $1. Oh, we have $1.75. Oh my goodness. So we finished one. Wow, that took a second. I got there. I use my little container. All right, so we finished this one for $3. I thought I wrote on there. There it is, $3. All right, so we did finish that one for $3. So we have 75 cents that we can put in a new one, and I have one right here. So let's use this one from Bonnie at Bonfire Budgets. This will save us $3. So we can do 75 cents. All right, so that will start us off for that one. We are done with the 75. Yay, we finished one right off the bat, and I just almost missed that. All right, so 25, 50, and 25. So $1 going into number 2. And this one is from Candy at Stuff and Budget. Oh, so close. We have 25 cents left. Actually, I'm going to use the green. So we have 25, 50, 75, and $1, and we have $1 left to finish this one off from Candy. Stuff and Budget. And then number 3 got 50 cents. So let's see what we have in here. Something just fell on the floor. Oh, a little heart. Okay, so we can do 2 more leaves. Okay, so this one is from Becca Budget 777. Did you guys watch any of the Olympics? I watched a bunch this weekend. We had some stuff recorded that I was like, I should probably watch that before it's like the Olympics are all over. So we have $1 going into another one from Becca Budget 777. I watched some of like the ski jumping, and I don't even know what else I watched. Hockey, watched a lot of the hockey. So we have $1 going into number 5. Oh my gosh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just missed it like the other one. So we have 25 cents left. So tomorrow we should have some good finishes. So I still have my Band-Aid on. I have my little unicorn Band-Aid on. Let's see. So that's $1. So that's 4 circles. Do one more little tiny circle. This is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. All right, so we have 25, 25, and 25. So 75 cents going into number 6. This one is from Bookish Mama Budgets. We can do 3 trees. All right, so 3 trees go in there. This will save us $5. I'm so excited to see how many we finish. All right, number 7 got a bunch. So we have 25, 25, 25. So we have $1.25 going into number 7. Oh, we got the little honeycomb, so I can do 5 honeycombs. All right, this one is from Our Beautiful Budgets. I don't know if she still has her Etsy. I don't think she does. I feel like I went and looked. All right, and then number 8 got 75 cents. And number 8 is from Greta at Agape Book Club. We can do 3 circles. All right, so that is that. We finished one for $3 from Bonnie at Bonfire Budgets. So let's pull out that money. Put our prop coins away first. And we need $3. So 1, 2, and 3. Yes. I will put this into our completed. And then this little guy, these 2 little ones can go in here. Yes. Day 23. It's still closing pretty easily, so we'll see what we can do about that tomorrow. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and come back tomorrow and see if I can complete a few more. So have a great day, and until next time, bye.